Example of a 3D video text that you can use this renderer to generate.
Hello guys, do you want to create your own 3D avatar? Or do you want an animated avatar that can do presentation with the written content that you already have? Follow me in this video, let me show you how you can create your own 3D avatar and also how you can create your own 3D video where that your avatar can be speaking, even speaking as a guest to an audience. Just within 4 clicks, this AI tool is. Do you know what it does? It's going to help you create your own avatar. You make your own choice of avatar. You type the content. When you type the content, you choose the background of the studio that you want your avatar to be present. You see the way I am now sitting down in my studio. You choose the type of studio you want, and boom, you create your video. The next thing is you are going to see your avatar presenting all those content that you've written. So you know this is our demi technology. Here we talk about tech. Please do well to share and subscribe to our channel. Let's go straight to the point.
So the website we are going to talk about today is renderer.ai. It turns text into 3D video in seconds. You can use it to create your avatar in seconds. So this is just it. You can create your account for free, but there are also pricing page where you can actually subscribe to their product. They have so many products. Let me show you their product. So this is all their products, but we're actually going to homepage so that will show you how most of these things are being used. So we'll go back to homepage. So when we come to homepage, you scroll down. This is an example of a 3D video text that you can use this renderer to generate. You can change the clothes and the design how you wanted it. So this is an example of the renderer video 3D video that you can create. You can change the design of the clothing, the background, or whatever you want to change how you want it. This renderer makes it very easy. Look at this video, 3D video. This is actually just how you generate it. Just type what you want and click on 3D generate. For example, look at it. Select the 3D studio. There are so many 3D studios. Select the avatar, enter text and generate. For example, after you've selected the studio, select the studio. After selecting the studio, the next thing is to choose the avatar that you want to use. There are so many avatars, so you choose the avatar that you want to use. When you choose the avatar that you want to use, the next thing is to type in your text. So you type in exactly what you want the video to say, what you want the avatar to say as a keynote speaker, or depending on what you want. This is how it is. This is the reality check. The AI will automatically generate your 3D video with the avatar you choose, saying exactly what you've typed there. This is how easy it is for you to make a 3D video with this renderer AI application. I will expect you to rush and check it out. Let me go through it again. You pick a studio. After picking a studio, you pick an avatar. Choose an avatar. After choosing an avatar, what do you do next? You type whatever you want the avatar to be saying, right? Just type it. Then after typing it, just click on 3D generate. Once it's done, in less than 30 seconds it's done, you will see your avatar saying exactly what you want it to say with the design that you choose. Let's go down again. Look at it. You can start it for free, but there is subscription. There is a subscription there. So when you start it, there are some features that you will need to pay for you to access those features. No action needed. Look at how you can even design your own avatar and even allow your avatar to speak based on the tone you want it to. And you even allow your avatar to use the voice you want. Do you understand? Just choose avatar that you want and choose the voice or the tone of the person, or the whatever tune that you want. Just choose it. That is how it's being done. Try this renderer AI pro studio production. I can tell you, I checked out this thing and it's amazing, and I decided to show it to my fans all in one platform. Seamless video generation to post production, no need for special effects at all. Create studio quality post products easily and collaborate with shared space and brand it. Thank you. I hope. So this is example of every single thing that you can do. This is example of every single thing that you can do with Rendora.ai. Hello guys, please check this out. All right.
So guys, I know that you learned something today. Please do not forget to try it out. Try it out. I'll see you in our next video. Please subscribe to our channel. Please share our video. I love you.